Leonardo DiCaprio is on the case in Shutter Island.
They haven't heard the truth once yet, but no one talks. It's like they're scared of something.
At number 2, an average guy takes his shot in She's Out of My League.
Don't get quiet. She has me out.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
So, you wanna go? Well, then let's play. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah. If y'all wanna play, come with this. I don't even have to play, bitch. I don't have no seesaw, no playground. I'm on the monkey bars, and you're still trying to climb up now. Cause I'm too far ahead, and I'll never fall. Your bitches fumbled, and you stumbled, and you did fall. And if you want some, bitch, I will bust your jaw, knock a right left to your face. Now you feel dark. Yeah, darkness. Do you want some? This is the work, and if you want some, I will school you, bitch, pencil and paper. This is JJ, shoot you off the balcony. Call that a fucking laser. I'm so good, they can call me fucking Predator. Like the movie, knock them all down, and they never see, cause they don't have the glasses on. And they all are blind if they don't have the glasses on. Yeah, but if I had some diamond shades, I'd show you that I'm brighter with these diamond shades. Cause yeah, not jewelry, but brain power. If you want some, bitch, I will cook you up and serve you like clam chowder. Yeah, and I'm JJ, play around. Bitch, I will play around, cause this is my fucking playground. Hands up if you want some OC, and if you ain't 21842, we don't give a fuck. This is how I do, this is how I play, ho. If you want some, then I'll bring it down low. Yeah, not this low, but I don't know. And if I find out, then sooner or later I'll show you. And I got game like a baller, NBA stats, and I'm ready to shoot foul shots all day. 3-pointers coming at you, coming hot like a hot dog, yeah. And I don't give a fuck, I make you all get lost like a dog, yeah. I'll make you get lost like a runaway. I'll make you get lost just like you lost your shit, and you can't find it like your license or your debit card, bitch. This is JJ, know that I'm so go, know that I'm so flow, yeah, like green light go, yeah. You just stop like red light slow, and I'm the best, man. Now you know. JJ. Understand. Life's a book. Learn and study. Fucking students. Peace.